This is Ajit Vairakkar, Certified Financial Planner. In our previous video, we discussed about what is financial planning, why it is important, how actions can be implemented as a part of strategies of your financial planning. So, in a hierarchy of actions, the first and topmost priority is making provision of your emergency fund. So today we will discuss what is emergency, what can be different emergency that one can face, and how he can make some provision to at least mitigate the losses of these emergencies. Let us first understand what is emergency. So we are talking about financial emergency. Okay. So emergency can be, we can say it's unplanned, undesirable situation wherein urgent deployment of financial resources is required. In Indian scenario, if you think of Indian approach, Indians do not think of what can go wrong. So they have thinking like ठीक है जो देखा जाएगा. They do not generally prepare for any unpleasant situation. So let us first understand what can be possible emergency in individuals' life. Most common emergency is medical emergency. A person meeting a road accident or a physical accident has to rush to hospital. So there may be medical expenses, high medical expenses involved. An individual diagnosed with some disease, illness, critical illness, wherein huge amount of money has to be expended. Right? These are common emergency situation in anybody's life. Another type of emergency situation can be loss of job. Loss of job can be for various reasons. One, you are not performing well in your organization, or your management doesn't think that you are performing well, so there can be job loss. Even though you are performing well, but the company is not performing well. That's why financial condition of company is going down, and hence they take decision to cut certain jobs. So you may be one of the unfortunates who may lose the jobs. So job cut can be one emergency, and the condition like what we have been going through right now, coronavirus pandemic. So the whole economy is going through downturn. So there can be huge job losses we may see in near future. So thinking this, considering this, one must prepare to face this emergency. You cannot avoid this situation. What we can do? We can prepare ourselves to face this situation so that you go through minimum stress. So emergency fund is one of the most important thing that an individual must think of before he implement his other financial strategies. How much emergency fund has to be provided? So at least as a thumb rule, 6 months of his salary must be kept in liquid form as a part of your emergency fund. Okay. Some of you may advocate that we have health insurance, medical insurance, so why is it required to make provision of this? However, in unfortunate situation, a person may, if he meets road accident in certain remote area and wherein there are no network hospital, so there you are required to first pay your bills and then claim. That's why it is always advised to have your own fund in your liquid form. We have seen certain examples where emergency fund will be useful. Emergency fund can be used in to grab certain opportunity also. So we discuss use of emergency fund in unpleasant situation. However, emergency fund can be sometimes used to grab certain opportunity also. Like because of this coronavirus pandemic, in Indian economy we have seen that share prices have gone down. So this fund manager are appealing this is a good opportunity for you to invest. So you can purchase shares at a very attractive prices, attractive valuations. However, many of us do not have that much liquid money to invest. If you have accumulated this emergency fund, that can also be used partially at least to purchase the shares at attractive price. Sometimes there can be some other opportunities like prices of property prices, those are also gone down. Suppose you come across certain opportunity, you can use this fund, emergency fund, to grab those opportunities and get the benefit out of it. Okay. Now, where should one keep this emergency fund? First of all, let us understand what we said in emergency. What is emergency? This will be a situation wherein urgent deployment of this money is required. So, money has to be kept in liquid form. Liquid means which can be easily converted into cash. So, we discussed that emergency fund should be, as a thumb rule, 6 months salary should be kept in as an emergency fund. So, emergency fund can be kept in liquid form. You can use different instrument. So, we recommend 20% of your money should be kept in saving account and cash, to some extent 3-5% in cash and rest 20% in saving account. 25% of the money can be kept in fixed deposit in banks. If FDs are easily convertible into cash, like just by swapping your cards, you can convert FD into saving account, transfer money into second and withdraw. That will be better. And 50% of this money should be kept in liquid mutual fund. So liquid mutual fund invest in very short-term securities below 91 days. So that's why these are safest instrument in mutual fund category, where you get a decent return around 6 to 7% based on the prevailing market rates. And these have got a liquidity. Whenever you want, you can withdraw this money from your mutual fund and use for various reasons. So, as a summary, one should have at least 6 months salary as his emergency fund. 20% of this emergency fund should be kept in saving account and cash. 20% of this emergency fund should be kept in bank FDs, and 50% of this emergency fund should be kept in liquid mutual fund. In next video, we are going to discuss about the importance of medical insurance. It was all about emergency fund, your first step of implementing financial strategies. In our next video, we will discuss about medical insurance, importance and why it is required to have medical insurance. So, we will see you in next video.